Hello everyone, welcome back to my class. In this video, I will cover class 6 subject maths chapter number 3 playing with number exercise 3.4. So, if you want my previous chapter or the previous exercise, you can go to my YouTube channel and you can find it there, okay? Now I will start here exercise 3.4. Question number 1. Find the common factor of 20 and 28. Okay, this is 28. Okay, I will write this nicely. Yes, 20 and 28. So what we have to find? We have to find common factor, isn't it? What we have to find? Common factor. To find a common factor, we have to write all the factors of what? All the factors of 20 and factors of 28. So the factor of 20 are, what are the factor of 20? You will start with 1 because 1 is the factor of every number. Okay, 1 is a factor of every number, so 1 will the factor. Now 2, how you will see the 2 is the factor of 20 or not? Now if 20 is the multiples of 2, suppose 2 tens are how much? 20, isn't it? So 2 will be the factor of 20 because 2 is divisible with 10 or 20. Now next 3 is divisible with 20? No, because in 3 table 20 will not arrive, isn't it? 20 is not there in 2 table, oh sorry, 3 table, because 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, and 3 fours are how much? 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 six are 18, and 3 sevens are how much? 3 sevens are 21. So 20 is not there in the 3 table, so 3 will be not here. Now 4, now 4 fives are 20, so here you can write 4 because 4 is a multiple of what? Oh, sorry, 20 is a multiple of 4. Now 5 is also factor of 20, isn't it? Because 5 fours are what? 20. Now 6 is a factor of 20? No, because in 6 table 20 is not there. Now next 7 also it is not there. Now 8 is also not there, isn't it? Now 9 is also not there. Now 10, yes, 10 is there, isn't it? Because 10 twos are how much? 10 twos are 20. So is there any number which is divisible, which will be the factor of 20? No, only these are the factor of 20. 1, 2, 4, 5 and 20. Now next number is what? The factor of, next number is factor of 28 are, what are the factor of? Now 1 is always factor for every number. Okay, first you can write 1. Now 2, now is 2 is a factor? Yes, because if you will divide 28 with 2, you will get a divisible number. Okay, 28, because with 28 2 is divisible, so 2 is also factor. Now 3, is 3 28? If you will divide with 3, in 3 table 28 is there? No, isn't it? Because 3 is in 3 table 28 is not there, so 3 is not factor. Now 4, yes, 4 is also there, because if you will divide 28 with 4, it will be divisible, because 4 sevens are how much? 28. Then next 5 is not divisible with 28, isn't it? Because how 5 will divisible? To divisible with 5, this number should be 5 or 0, isn't it? Now again 6, in 6 table 28 is there? No. In 7 table? Yes, because 7 4 is 28, isn't it? Now 8 table? No. Now 9 table? No. 10? No. 11? No, isn't it? Now 12 also it is not there, because 12 to the 24, isn't it? Now 13 twos are how much? That will be not divisible. Now 14 twos are how much? 28. Now 14 is also divisible by 14 2 are 28. Now is there any number divisible by this? No, isn't it? There is only this number divisible by. Here you can write n 20 also. Okay, n 20 also, and here also. After this, what is the number? Only 28. Now you have to see common factor. What we have to find? Common factor. Now what is common here? 1 1, isn't it? 1 1 is common, 2 2 is common, again 4 4 is common, and is there any other number which is common? No. So what are the common factor? 1 2 and 4. So these are the common factor. Common factor is equal to 1 2 4. You can simply write like this. Now B question 15 and 25. So here I will show one another method, okay, to find a factor. How you will find a factor? Now you have to find a factor of 15. Now you can write the multiples table like this, okay. 1 into 15 is how much? 15. Now 2 into any number will give 15? No, isn't it? Now 3 into, yes, 3 into 5 will give what? 3 into 5 will give 15. In this way, is there any number? Now after 3 what will come? 4. 4 multiply with any number will become 15? No. 5? Yes. 5 into 3 is what? 15. If the number is already repeated 3 and 5, and now again it is repeat 5 and 3, then there will be no any other number, okay. If it is repeating like this, then you have to add here, end here. And also you can write 15 into 1 is also 15, because 1 into 15 is 15, then 15 into 1 is also 15. So which are the factor here? A factor of 15 are, what are the factor of 15? You will get 1, you will write this, then 3, then you will write 5, sorry, 1 3 5, and again 3 is already repeating, 3 is already repeating. Now 15, or you can see 15 from here also, okay. 1 3 5 15, these are the number which is the factor of 15. Now next number, what is given? 25. Now for 25 also you can do in this way. Now 1 into 25, first you will start with 1, okay. 1 into 25 is 25. Now 2 into any number will give 25? No, isn't it? Now 3 into any number, 3 multiply with any number will give 25? No. Now 4 into any number will give 25? No. Now 5 5s are how much? 25. Now 5 is already repeating, that means there will be no any other value, any other factor, okay. What we got is, and therefore factor of 25 are, what we got? 1 comma 5, then again 5, then 25. So these are the factor. So here what we got? 1 1 and 3, but here is no 3, isn't it? So 3 will be not common factor. Now here 5, and here also 5, and here 15 and 25, these are not same. So which are the same value here? 1 5 1 5. So therefore common factor are, common factor of which number? 15 and 25 is what? 1 and 5, isn't it? So 1 and 5 is the common factor. In this way you can find. If you feel hard of doing the factor like this, so if you face difficulties, if you face problem of finding the factors directly like this, then you can do in this way, okay, with the help of this, because this is easier for the learner, okay. If you cannot do in this way directly, then you can do in this way. Now the next 2 more question is there to find a common factor. That is your homework. You please try by yourself. The next question number 2, find a common factor. Here also you have to find common factor, isn't it? But here 3 terms is given, 3 digits, 4 8 and 12. Now you have to find a factor of all the digits, isn't it? Now if you want to find a factor of 4, so 1 into 4 is equal to 4, isn't it? Now 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Now 2 is already repeat, that means only this much number are there, okay. Now for 8, 1 into 8 is equal to how much? 8. 1 into 8 is 8. Then now next 2 into 4 is how much? 8. Now again 3 is not divisible, so 4 into 2 is what? 8. Now this number is already repeated, so no more number will be there. Now next 12, 1 into 12 is equal to 12. Now 2 into 6 is equal to 12. Now again 3 into 4 is equal to 12, isn't it? In the same way, now 4 into 3 is equal to what? 4 into 3 is equal to 12. Now this number is already repeating, so no need to do. So from here you can write the factors like this. Now factor of 4 are, what are the factor of 4? 1 2 and 4, isn't it? 1 2 and 4. Now factor of 8, what are the factor of 8 now? 1 2, now 4, 2 is already written, 4 also already written, what is remaining? 8. So these are the factor of 8. Now factor of what? 12 are, first what we got? 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, isn't it? 3 and 4 is already written here. Now 6, then 12. So these all are the factors of the given number. Now you have to find what? Common factor. common factor of 4, 8 and 12 is what, which is common here? 1 1 1. So you can write 1 as a common factor. Now 2 2 2. So in every, for 3, okay, for 3 you have to check. So in the 3 factor, 2 2 is common, so you can write 2. Now you can see 4 4, and here also 4. So 4 is also what? Common factor. Now there's no any other number, isn't it? If you will see only any number is common only in this 2 term and it is not here, then that number will be not a common factor. Okay, it should be in this 3 number, then only we can say that number is a common factor. Now here 1 2 4 is the common factor of the given number 4, 8 and 12. In this way you have to see the common factor. And one more question is there, 5, 15, 25. So please try that question, that is homework. Okay, question number B is also homework. Now question number 3, find the first 3 common multiples. Here it is written what? Common multiples. Okay, not factor. Now we will not write a factor. What we will do? Multiples. Multiples means table. Okay, we have to write, simply we can say table. And here it is written first 3 we have to find first 3 common multiples of 6 and 8. Now you have to write the multiples of 6 and 8. Multiples of 6, isn't it? So multiple of 6 are, you have to write 6 tables. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 25, 6 5s are 30. In this way you will write 36, then 42, 48, then 54 and what? 60. Okay, and you can write more number, but now I am writing only till 10. Okay, multiples of 10 only I am writing now. Multiple of 8 are 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 8 6 are 48, 48, then 56, then 64, then 72, now 80. Now we have to write, we have to find first 3 common multiples, isn't it? First 3 we have to write. How much we have to find? We have to find 3 common multiples. Now 6 not common, 12 is not here, 18 is not here, 24 is here and 24 is here. So 24 and 24. Now 30 and 30 is not here, 36 is not here, 42 is not here, 48 is here. So we got one more, this is 48 and 48. So how much we got till now? We got only 2, isn't it? So we need to find more. So now 60. Now if you will write more table, 6 into 11 you will get how much? 66, isn't it? You will get 66. Now 6 into 12 you will get 72. Now 6 into 13 you will get 78. Now you can see here, did you notice here 72 and here already we got 72. That means we have got the another common factor also, that is what? 72. So we have to find only 3, isn't it? So what we observe? We observe that 24 and next number is 48 and 72 are multiples of both 6 and 8, isn't it? Because this 3 we have to find 3, so only 3 we are finding. If we want more, we have to write the table more. Okay, and we can find. Now 24, 48, 72 are the multiples of both 6 and 8, isn't it? So these three numbers are the multiples of both 6 and 8. So this is your answer. So in this way you will find. Okay, you will write all the tables, then you will find the common. Now you can write, therefore common multiples of 6 and 8 are what we got? 24, 48 and 72. Okay, this is your answer. So next question, in question number 3, one more question is there, 12 and 18. So that question is homework. Okay, you will write a table of 12 and 18. After that you will find 3 common multiples. Now come to question number 4. What is question number 4? Here you can see, write all the numbers less than 100 which are common multiples of 3 and 4. Okay, now that means you have to write the table of 3 less till less than 100, and again we have to write the table of 4 less than 100. Okay, come to the solution. Multiples of 3 less than what, 100. Okay, less than 100 are, now 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 9, 18, 15, sorry 12, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. So here I wrote all the numbers, means all the multiples of 3 less than 100. So last here I wrote is 99, isn't it? 99, next table will be again 102, because 102 is not divisible with, oh no, 102 means we have to write till less than 100. So I wrote till 99. Now next multiples of 4 less than 100. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, then 12, 6. So I have written all the tables and less than till less than 100, isn't it? So we have to write till 96 only. This 100 is no need. Okay, we have to write till 96. Less than we have to write. Now the common multiples. So we have to find all the commons. Now 3 is not here, 6 is not here, 9 is not here, then 12, yes 12 you can see here also and here also. Now 15 is not here, then 16 is also not here, 18 is also not here, 21 is also not here. Now 24, yes 24 you can see here also and here also. Now 27 is not here, 30 is not here, 33 is not here, 36, yes we can see 36 here also and here also. 39 is not here, 42 is also not here, 45 is not here, 48, yes 48 we can see, and here also 48 we can see. Now 51 is not here, now 54 is not here, 57 is also not here. Now 60, yes 60 is here also and here also. Now 63 is not here, 66 is also not here, 69 is also not here, 72, yes 72 is here also and here also. Now 75 is not here, 78 is not here, 81 is not here, 84, yes 84 is here. Now next 87 is not here, 90 is not here, 93 is not here, 96, yes 96 is here also and here also. So how many numbers we got? Because we have to write here, it is written write all the common multiples of 3 and 4. So therefore all the common multiples of 3 and 4 are what we got? Write all the circle number: 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96. So this is your answer. Okay, this many numbers we got, which is a common multiples of 3 and 4. Now which of the following numbers are co-prime? Okay, what we have to find co-prime. Now co-prime means what? For two numbers, okay, for any pair of two numbers, their factor, common factor should be only one. Okay, only one should be their common factor, then we say that two number is co-prime. So please listen carefully. I will solve. A question is what? 18 and 35. So you will write a factor of 18. So factor of 18 are 1, 2, 3 also, isn't it? Now 4 is not factor, 5 is also not factor, 6 is factor because 6 3s are 18. Then next will be 9, isn't it? 9 2s are 18. Then next will be 8. So these are the factor of 18. In the same way, factor of Now factor of 35. Factor of 35 are 1, 2 is not factor, 3 is not factor, 4 is not factor, 5 is factor because 5 sevens are. Now again 6 is not factor, 7 is factor. Then if we are repeating, then it will come out direct 35. Now here you can see common factor. What number is common factor here? Which is common number here? Only 1 is common, isn't it? Where we get only 1 is a common factor. Here common factor is what? 1. Common factor is 1. So 18 and 35 is a co-prime number. Okay, because their common factor is only 1. If you will get one more common factor, okay, if you will get more than 1 as a common factor, then that number will be not co-prime. Now these two number are co-prime because only 1 is their common factor. I will solve one more question. It is 15 and next question B. Write a factor of 15. Factor of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. Now again factor of 37 are 1, 2 is not factor, 3 is not factor, 4 is also not factor because 37 is a prime number, so there will be no any other factor, only 1 and 37 will be common factor. Sorry, 1 and 37 will be their factor. So here common factor is what? What is the common factor here? Common factor is again only 1. So 15 and 37 is co-prime. Is what? Co-prime number. Now I will show one more example. I will show question number D. C, you try yourself. C is homework. 17 and 68. Now factor of 17. Factor of 17 are 1 and 17 only because 17 is a prime number. Now factor of 68 are factor of 68. Okay, factor of 68 are 1. 2 is also factor, isn't it? Because if you will divide 68 from 2, you got 3, 6 and 8, how much? 34, isn't it? So 2 is also factor, and 3 is factor. Yes, 3 is not factor. Now 4, is this number divisible with 4? You have to see, okay, if this number is divisible with 4 or not. 4 1s are 4, 2 8 28. Now 28 is divisible with how many times? 7, isn't it? 7 4s are 28. Yes, 4 is also their factor. Now next again 5 will not be factor, 6 will be not factor, 7 will be not factor. In the same way 4 what time we make 68? 17, isn't it? Now 17 will be also its factor. Now 2 what time? 34. So 34 will be also a factor. Then last 68. So these are the factor of 68. Now can you see common factor here? What are the common factor? Common factors are 1. 1 is common. Next number 17. 17 is here also and here also, isn't it? 17 is in both the numbers. So what are the common factor? 1 and 17. So here is how many common factor? 2 common factor, isn't it? That is what? 1 and 17. So 17 and 68 is not a co-prime number. Okay, to check either that number is co-prime or not, what you will do? You will find a factor. Okay, you will find the factor. Here you got the factor, and how many common factor is here? 1 and 17. Is there is 2 common factor, then that number will be not a co-prime. If only 1 is their factor, then that number will be a co-prime. So here 17 and 68 is not a co-prime number. In the same way, you will solve the remaining question. E, F and C is your homework. Now next question, question number 6. A number is divisible by both 5 and 12. By which other number will that number be divisible? Means there is a number and that number is divisible with 5 and 12. Suppose, okay, I will explain here. There is one number x and this number is divisible with 5 and also divisible with 12. Now by which other number, now you have to find one more number, by which other number will that number be always divisible? Now you have to find one another number and that number is always divisible with this number. Okay, now I will explain. I will give one another example, because in our divisibility test we have done, suppose there is one number 15. Okay, sorry, I will give different example, 18. Now you can see 18 is divisible with 2 and also 18 is divisible with 3. If a number is divisible with 2 and 3, then we know this two number, and then this number is also divisible with 6, isn't it? Because the divisibility of 6 is what? We have to see that number is divisible with 2 and 3 or not. If this number is divisible with 2 and 3, then that number is also divisible with what? 6. That means 2 into 3 is what? 6. In this way you can find this number. There is one number, it is divisible with what? 5 also and 12 also. And what will be that another number which is divisible with both these numbers? So 5 12s are how much? You will get 60. That means that number will be what? 60. Because here also we have the what we have done for the another number, we have done multiply, isn't it? 2 into 3 is 6. So this number is also divisible with 6. In the same way, 5 into 12 is what? 60. So 60 is divisible with this given number. So in this way you have to solve. So what will be that required number? The required number will be what? 6 into, oh sorry, not 6, this is what? 5 into 12 is equal to 60. Now 60 is the another number which will always divisible with the number which is divisible with 5 and 12. Okay, what is the number? 60. Hope you have understood, because there is one number and that number, there's one number x. Now x is divisible with 5 also and x is divisible with 12 also. And what number? And you have to find one more number which is divisible by this number. Okay, so that number will be what? Multiple of these two numbers. So what is the multiple of 5 and 12? Is 60. Now 60 is the number which will divisible with that number. Now come to next question, question number 7. A number is divisible by 12. So a number means what? I will explain. There is one number x. Okay, there is one number x. Now this number is divisible by what? 12. Okay, this x number is divisible by 12. By what other numbers? So by what other numbers means with this what other numbers will that number be divisible? By what other numbers will that number be divisible? Means by what other number? Suppose this x is divisible by 12. Now by what number this number will be divisible? Okay, by what more numbers? Here it is written numbers, isn't it? So there should be more than 1. So these numbers, this is one number and this number is divisible by what? 12. And by what another number also this number be divisible? How you will find this? Again I will give you one example. Suppose I will write here 36. Now you can see 36 is divisible with what? 6, isn't it? 36 is divisible with 6, and also 36 is divisible with 2, and also 36 is divisible with what? 3, isn't it? Now this number is divisible with 6 and also this number is divisible with 2 and 3. Why? Because what is the factor of 6? Because the factor of 6 is 2, 3, oh sorry, 1, 2 and 3, because these are the factor of 6, isn't it? So if any number is divisible by 6, then their factor number, what is their factor number? 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 will also be divisible with 4. Suppose I will give one more example, 16. Now 16, what is the number? Suppose this number is divisible with 4, isn't it? Then this number will also be divisible with 2. So now what is the factor of 2? Now factor of 4 is what? 1, 2 and 4, isn't it? So this 16 will also divisible with the factor of 4, that is 2. So in the same way, there's given one number. What number is given here? There is one number, that is 12. So with 12 one number is divisible, and with what other number this 12 will be divisible. So simply what you will do, you will find the factor of 12. You will write the factor, because there's one number and that number is divisible with 12, and you have to find the another more numbers which will be divisible by 12, okay, with other numbers. So what you will do, you will write the factor of 12. What is the factor of 12? Factors of 12 are, now 1 into 12 is what? 12, isn't it? So you can write a factor like this also. 1 into 12 is 12. Now 2 into 6 is what? Sorry, 2 into 6 is 12. So 2 and 6 will also be a factor. Now again 3 into 4 is also 12. So 3 and 4, isn't it? 3 into 4 is 12. So 4 into 3 is also 12. So if 3 is factor, then 4 is also factor. So you can write a factor in this way also, because 1 into 12 is factor of 12. Now 2 into 6 is 12. So 2 and 6 will be factor of 12. Now 3 into 4 is what? 12. So 3 and 4 will also be factor of 12. Now what will be the answer? Therefore 1, you can write 1 also, okay, because 1 is always divisible with any number. If x could be any number, and that number will divisible with 1 always, isn't it? So you can write 1, then next 2, then next 3, then next 4 and 6. These are your answers. So these many numbers will also be divisible with that number. If any number is divisible by 12, then that number also divisible with 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. So hope you have understood this question. So today's video I will end up with this. Hope you have understood my explanation. If you have any problem, you can comment in my video. So thank you all of you. In my next video, I will come up with the next exercise. Bye bye.